In a world full of noise, silence is a powerful weapon. Silence isn't weakness. It's a display of quiet confidence. When you speak less, your words carry more weight. People pay attention because they know you're not just filling the air, you're saying something that matters. Quiet confidence is magnetic. It draws people in, making them listen closely when you choose to speak. Less is more. The less you say, the more powerful your words become. Speak only when necessary, and watch how people start to respect your voice. The art of active listening. Silence also gives you the power to listen, really listen. In conversations, most people are too busy thinking about what they'll say next. But when you listen, you gain insights others miss. You understand people better, pick up on subtle cues, and respond more effectively. Active listening makes you more empathetic and builds stronger connections. Listen to understand, not to respond. By focusing on what others are saying, you gain valuable insights that make your responses more impactful. There's also a strategic element to silence. In negotiations or debates, staying silent can put pressure on the other person. It forces them to fill the void, often revealing more than they intended. Silence can be a powerful tool in maintaining control of the conversation. Silence is a power move. Use silence to make others feel the need to speak, revealing their thoughts or weakening their position. Great leaders understand the power of silence. They don't need to dominate every conversation or constantly assert their authority. Instead, they listen, observe, and speak only when it truly matters. This kind of leadership fosters respect and trust. It shows that you value the input of others and are confident enough to let your actions speak louder than words. Lead with silence. By using the silence wisely, you create an environment where others feel heard and valued, which strengthens your leadership. Silence isn't just the absence of noise. It's a powerful tool that, when used correctly, can make you more influential, a better listener, and a stronger leader. Embrace the power of silence and watch how it transforms your interactions and your life. If you're not following, you might miss out on more insights like these. But if you are, you're already on your way to mastering the quiet strength that leads to success.